Hi everyone, welcome to another video, and this is Cryptic Indian, and today I will discuss about how you can swap your existing Safemoon tokens which are on the old contract to the new migrated contract, also known as Safemoon V2. So earlier I made a video on how to buy Safemoon tokens using the D app on your Trust wallet, and today I will show you how to migrate those to Safemoon V2. So now, as you can see, I have searched up Safemoon on CoinMarketCap, and it clearly says Safemoon has been migrated to a new contract address and gives us the URL for V2. So what I'll do is I'll go to the Safemoon official website, and from there are two ways. So either you can launch the official website and then click on consolidate your Safemoon V2, or else you can directly hit the swap address which reads swap.safemoon.net. Let me quickly show you. So I go to the Safemoon official site, and here there's a button consolidate to V2 Safemoon, and once I click on it, I will be redirected to the swap address, or you can hit the swap address directly. Now once I am on the swap screen or the swap URL, I have to connect my wallet, and once I connect my wallet, we can proceed. Now to connect to your wallet, all you have to do is click on connect to a wallet button at the top of your screen, and once I click it, I will have these many options: Trust Wallet, Wallet Connect, Safemoon Wallet. Now Safemoon Wallet is a totally different way altogether, and I'm assuming that you have your tokens in Trust Wallet. So if you have your tokens on Trust Wallet, you can either select Trust Wallet or Wallet Connect, and both of them will use the Wallet Connect feature. Now if you notice, there are two options at the top. One is BSC and one is Ethereum. So if you have regular Safemoon, stick to the BSC chain, and if you have PE Safemoon, then in that case you can use the slider and select Ethereum. So we have regular Safemoon, and that's why I'm going to keep it to BSC, and then next I'll click Wallet Connect, and once I do that, I will get this pop-up where I will select QR code, and it gives me the QR code. So now I have the QR code, and all I have to do is scan this code using my Trust Wallet. So what I'll do is I will scan this using another mobile device, because I'm using Trust Wallet on two mobile devices. But in case if you don't have two devices, what you can do is you can open swap.safemoon.net, this URL, on your desktop or any other system, and then you can scan this code using your mobile device, and let me show you how that works. So I have my Safemoon wallet open, and as you can see, I have the Safemoon old tokens over here which I have not swapped yet, and I've also added the new Safemoon V2 tokens, but I don't have any because the migration has not happened. And for that to take place, first, as we were speaking, we have to connect the wallet. For that, I will click on settings, and then I'll select Wallet Connect. Now once you scan the QR code, this is something which you will see, and to confirm you can simply click on connect, and then it shows you the confirmation which says that it's connected to swap.safemoon.net, and the address is your Trust Wallet address and the network is Smart Chain. Now if you don't have a desktop and you don't have two devices, in that case what you can do is you can simply click on connect to wallet, and then select Trust Wallet, and it's on mobile, so keep it there, and then click on connect, and it will ask you to open Trust Wallet app, and then just cross check that this is on Smart Chain. It is on Smart Chain, so verify that this is your wallet address, and next what I'll do is I'll click on connect. Now once the connection is done, it is same like before. It shows you that it's connected to swap.safemoon.net, which is the swap URL, your wallet address, the network, and all this. So once the connect step is done, I'll come back to the swap.safemoon.net URL, which is the swap page, and here I can confirm again that my wallet address is displayed to the top right corner of the screen, and it also shows the total Safemoon balance that I have. And before I swap, let me select max, and based on my selection, it shows me the SFM or the new V2 contract Safemoon that I'll receive. So it's a 1000:1 ratio swap. For every 1000 old tokens, I'll get one SFM or one V2 Safemoon. Now the migrate button gets enabled, and I'll click on migrate, and it asks me to open Trust Wallet app. Let me select Trust Wallet, and this initiates a smart contract call. Alright, so let's give it some time to load. And once, so on this page you can confirm that your asset is on smart chain. It's from your wallet. It shows the wallet address, and the DApp is swap.safemoon.net, and here's our network fee, which is $3 and some change. So this might vary from $0 to $5 in BNB depending on the wallet that you are using. The max total is 3.22, and now I'll select approve. And once I have selected approve, it takes me to this screen. And if I come back to the main wallet screen, refresh, so I see that my old tokens disappeared. Not disappeared, it becomes 0.0, and I have the new Safemoon V2 tokens which got swapped in a 1000:1 ratio, and now I have 100,000 tokens. So this is how we are going to swap the V1 with V2 tokens. And as we read earlier, the team has discontinued support for the old tokens. So I would request everyone who is holding Safemoon, and if you are not aware of, please swap your tokens as soon as possible.